हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल प्राउड टू बी इंडियन। आज इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे अबाउट द टॉप 10 आईआईटीज। ओके, सो आई विल टॉक अबाउट द टॉप 10 आईआईटीज एंड मैं क्या क्या बात करूंगा उसमें, अबाउट द कट ऑफ, व्हाट अबाउट द कट ऑफ, व्हाट इज अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट एंड लास्ट दैट इज द फी स्ट्रक्चर। सो आई विल कवर दीज थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स ऑफ ऑल 10 आईआईटीज। So first of all guys, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for such important video. So let us move to our video without wasting our time. So our top first, or you can say top most IITs all over the India is, I think you are very well known aware of that, IIT Madras. So IIT Madras by top hai, rank 1, okay, and it was established in 1959. So let me show you the cutoff. So what about the cutoff of the IIT Madras? So IIT Madras cutoff is very challenging, and this is the round 6 cutoff. For the CSC, if you are male candidate, you must be 163, and for the female 644. For the BTech in electrical engineering, 1019 for the male candidates and 2199 for the female candidates. For the mechanical engineering, 2419 for the male candidates and female 6344. So great competition for this college, okay. And you can remaining, you can say clearly, okay, BTech engineering physics 1884 and for the female 11569. This is all about the general candidates. For the female SC candidates, you can clearly visualize tough competition for the BTech in CSC 58 and for the electrical engineering 399, for the mechanical engineering 696, for the MTech, okay, means BTech plus MTech aerospace engineering 726, for the BTech in chemical engineering 1297, for the BSc plus MSc in physics 586. So this is the cutoff structure of the IIT Madras. Now let me talk about the placements. What about the placement scenario of this topmost college? So placement is very outstanding and excellent. Number of companies so far visited is 256 in earlier 2021, but in 21-22 so far 380 company visited. Number of student place, almost all student get place, and more than 1199 offer, 45 plus internship offer, and highest CTC, that is 1.98 crore, means about 2 crore highest package, and the average CTC 21.48 LPA, and these are the topmost company that visited, that is the Bajaj Auto, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Adobe, Google, variety of company visited in this college. Now let me show you the fee structure of this college. So fee structure kitna hai? So this is the fee structure for the first year. So for the first year you have to pay 2,05,000. Okay, so 2,05,000 you have to pay, and the eligibility criteria is almost same. For 10 plus 2 be 75% plus JEE Main and JEE Advanced you have to be that. So this is all about the first IITs, that is the IIT Madras. Our next IITs, that is the IIT Bombay, and topmost IITs all over the India after the IIT Madras. Okay, so what about the IIT Bombay? So it was actually established in 1958 and ranked 3 all over the India. So what about the cutoff? So भाई कितना cutoff में आपको इस कॉलेज को मिल जाएगा आराम से? So this is the cutoff for the round 6. Again tough competition for the BTech CSC, male 67 and female 361. For the BTech in electrical engineering, male 434, for the female 916. For the BTech and MTech in electrical engineering 795 and 286. For BTech in chemical engineering 2213 for male and 4709 for the female. For BTech in engineering physics 1324 and close for the female is 2553. So BTech in civil engineering 3304 and close for the means female candidates 7597. So this is all the cutoff scenario of the IIT Bombay. Now let me show you the placement of this. So what about the placement and company that visited? So this is the basically placement scenario and statistics of IIT Bombay. So total number of offers so far is 1207 in 2021, and for the 2022 1878 total number of offers, and total number of company that participated 350. Number of job offer is 1441, and the number of PPOs accepted 201, number of internship 66, and the highest CTC that is more than 2 crore, that is 2.1 LPA, and the average CTC is 25 LPA. So marvelous. And what are the top recruiter that visited in this college? So Uber, Ruberic, Millennium, Blackstones, Google, Adobe, variety of the company visit in this IIT Bombay. Now talking about the fee structure. So what about the fee structure of the IIT Bombay? So again the fee structure is very important for any college. So what about the fee structure of this college? Okay, so for the fee structure you can see here, for the BTech you have to pay the means eligibility 10 plus 2, and you have to pay 50, for the MSc 50,000, and for the BTech first year you have to pay 2,28,000. Okay, So this is all about the fee structure of the IIT Bombay. Now let us move to the next IITs, that is the fourth IIT. Okay, you can see that. So that is that means rank 4. So IIT Delhi, and it is rank 4 all over the India. Again, marvelous college for all over the India and most demanding college. So let me show you the cutoff for the IIT Delhi. So IIT Delhi cutoff, you can clearly visualize here that for the BTech CSC great challenge. Okay, and for the general candidates you have to be under 100, and for the female you have to be under 432. For BTech plus MTech in CSC 180, and for the female 647. For BTech electrical engineering male candidates is 553 and female is 1586. Okay, for the BTech in mechanical engineering 1743, and for the female candidates is 4607. Okay, for the BTech in engineering 2532, and for the female candidates is 5197. So this is all about the cutoff, and remaining you can clearly visualize that. Now talking about the placement, that is very important for any college. So what about the placement scenario of the IIT Delhi? So number of job offers so far is 1250, and the number of international offer is 350. So भाई international offer भी भर भर के आता है इस कॉलेज में, no doubt. Number of PPAs 180, number of recruiter more than 350 plus, and job profile is 750. Highest CTC so far is 2 CPA, means 2 crore per year. Great and marvelous. And average salary for the domestic is 1.25 crore. So you can assume the importance of this IIT Delhi. Okay. Now talking about the fee structure. So what about the fee structure for the BTech? So for the BTech you have to pay 2,20,300. Okay, that is all about the BTech courses fee structure, and for the MTech you have to pay 1,06,200 for the first year. So this is the fee structure for the first year. Now let me move to the next IIT, that is the IIT Kanpur, topmost college in the all over the UP. So what about the IIT's Kanpur? So it is the rank 5, and I am showing you the cutoff. So what about the cutoff of this college? So you can clearly visualize this is the round 6 cutoff for the all branches. For the BTech CSC you must be under 216, and for the female, okay, for the female candidate 777. For the BTech in electrical engineering, for the male candidates 1297 and female 3409. For the BTech in mechanical engineering 2823 for the male candidates and 7140 for the female candidates. Similarly for the chemical engineering 4063 for the male candidates and 8988 for the female candidates. For the BTech in civil engineering, male candidates 5648 and female candidates 12559. So this is all about the cutoff scenario of the IIT Kanpur, that is the topmost IITs. Okay. Now let me show you the placement scenario, that what is the placement of this college. So again marvelous, and various company visited here. So number of recruiter so far is 287, number of startups 60, number of offers 30,100, and number of offer accepted is 1100. So you can understand the good number of students are accepting the offer. PPOs 207 and highest CTC so far is 2 crore 6,000. Okay, so again marvelous for that, and highest domestic package is 1.2 CPA. For the top recruiters are the Actixa, Excel, Goldman Sachs, Ola. These are the topmost recruiters of this college, that is the IIT Kanpur. Now let me move to the next very important, that is the IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so what about the IIT Kharagpur? IIT Kharagpur, that is the rank 6 among all over the India, and is one of the topmost college all over the West Bengal, and more demanding college and evergreen college is that. Okay, so let me show you the cutoff of this IIT Kharagpur. So what about the IIT Kharagpur round 6 cutoff? So again you have to be under the, for the male candidate CSC 285 and for the female 894. For the BTech plus MTech in CSC 451 and for the female candidates 1502. For BTech in EC 1132 for the male candidates, and for the female candidate 2780. Great competition for that. Okay, for BTech in electrical engineering 1132 for the male and 2780 for the female. For BTech in the mechanical engineering 2896 and for the female is 8102, and remaining you can clearly visualize that. Okay, last time talking about the BTech in civil engineering, so 5855 for the male candidates, and for the female candidates 12800. So great competition for this marvelous college. Okay, so talking about the placement statistics, that is the ultimate goal of every student. So why placement कैसा है इस college का? So placement is overall very fine, and current scenario is that more than 245 number of recruiters visited so far, and more than 1600 placement offer. Okay, and 400 plus PPO and 35 international offer, and 2.4 crore per year, means greater than the IIT Bombay and so far that have seen. And the top recruiters is the Google, Microsoft, Honeywell, and variety of company visited in this topmost IIT Kharagpur. Now moving to next very important IITs, that is the IIT Roorkee. So talking about the IIT Roorkee, so this was actually the ranked 7 all over the India, and it is situated in Uttarakhand, and you can understand the importance of Uttarakhand, that is the marvelous and greenless campus, all that. So talking about the cutoff scenario of this, that how much the cutoff required for this particular college. So for the male candidates, grade competition 414, and for the female candidates 1205. For the BTech in EC, for the male candidates 1421, for the female candidate 3389. For BTech in electrical engineering, male candidate 2074, and for the female candidates 5266. For the BTech in chemical engineering 4724, and for the female 10177. Okay, so this is all about the cutoff for the mechanical engineering. Talking about the chemical engineering, 4724 for the male and 10,177 for the female candidates. For the remaining branches, you can clearly visualize this is the cutoff of the IIT Roorkee topmost college. Talking about the placement scenario, so what are the placement scenario and number of job offer company that visited? So I am showing you this is the placement scenario so far of 2021. So day 1 is 437 and number of PPOs 219, number of international offer 31. So very marvelous, and highest CTC so far offer is 2.15 crore package. Okay, and highest domestic city is 1.8 CPA. This is the international CPA and this is the domestic CPA 1.8 CPA. Okay, so this is all about the IIT Roorkee. Now let me show you the fee structure. So what about the fee structure of this top college? So for the BTech you have to pay 2.4 lakh for the first year. Okay, and eligibility criteria almost same, 10 plus 2 with 75% plus JEE advance to get into this college. Now moving to our next very important IITs, that is the IIT Guwahati, and more demanding college among the students. So what about the IIT Guwahati? So IIT Guwahati is ranked 8 all over the India, and in the eastern zone it is the topmost college, and it is have a greenless and all things. Okay, so talking about the cutoff scenario of the IIT Guwahati, so IIT Guwahati for the chemical engineering you have to be under 5725, and for the IIT Guwahati for the bioscience and bioengineering 8598. For civil engineering you have to be under 7545. For the computer science engineering grade competition means you have to be under 600. For the data science and AI you have to be under 954. This is all about the cutoff scenario of the IIT Guwahati topmost college all over the India. Now let me show you the placement scenario, that is the magnificent, excellent and marvelous. So भाई IIT Guwahati का placement बहुत ही improvement है, and very emerging college is all over the India. So number of recruiters so far visited is 180, and number of student register 1243, and 910 means 910 student got placed, and highest city is 2.5 crore package. Okay, so you can understand the clearly vision that it is greater than IIT Madras, IIT Bombay and all IIT so far we have seen. This is the topmost IIT in terms of CTC. Okay, for the highest domestic salary 1.3 CPA and average salary 77.7 LPA. And the top recruiters are the Microsoft, Google, Apple, JP Morgan and variety of Adobe and other company visited in this IIT. Talking about the fee structure, so what about the fee structure of the IIT Guwahati? So this is the fee structure of IIT Guwahati. For the BTech you have to be under 2.18 lakh, means you have to pay 2.18 lakh for the first year, and eligibility is almost same. Remaining fee structure you can clearly visualize that. Moving to our next topmost IITs, that is the IIT Hyderabad. So what about the IIT Hyderabad? So it is ranked 14, but it is the topmost college. Okay, so what is the IIT Hyderabad? So it is actually located in Telangana. And talking about the cutoff, so how can you get, or what is the necessary cutoff for this college? So again cutoff is very low. For the male candidates, for the CSC 521, okay, and for the female 1227. For the AI 676, for the female 1747. For the BTech in electrical engineering you have to be under 2094, and for the female 5413. For the BTech in engineering science 3902 for the male and 8142 for the female. For BTech in chemical engineering 6079 for the male and 11790 for the female. For the BTech in civil engineering, for the male candidates 7775 and for the female candidates 14454. So this is all about the cutoff structure of this topmost IIT Hyderabad. Now showing you the placement scenario, that is the ultimate goal of every student to get into good MNC and other top companies. What about the placement scenario? So this is the placement statistics. So far number of recruiters visited 138 and number of student placed 514. Okay, and 580 plus job offers, 77.29% placement so far. number of PPOs 82 and highest salary is 65.46 LPA. Median salary is 20.73 and company that visited is Flipkart, Indeed, Zomato and variety of other Adobe, Microsoft and Google also visit in this IIT Hyderabad. Moving to our next very important, that is the IIT BHU. So IIT BHU is a very important college. So let me talk about that. So actually it was established in 1999 and topmost IITs among all. So what about this? So talking about the cutoff, so how can you get into this college and the eligibility criteria for that. Cutoff for the CSC is male candidate 873, for the female 2030, for the BTech plus MTech in mathematics and computing, so 1973 for the male and 5510 for the female. For the BTech in mechanical engineering, so 6557 for the male and 13877 for the female. For BTech in civil engineering, 7791 for the female 15176. For the BTech in meteorological engineering, 9733 and for the female 18918, means above 18,000. Similarly, talking for the mining engineering, when clearly visualized and all the remaining courses. Okay. So this is the cutoff scenario of the IIT BHU. Now let me show you the placement statistics. So whatever the placement statistics of this college. So number of companies so far visited is 332 and number of offer is 1185. Marvelous and excellent for any college. And highest CTC is 2.0 CPA for the international, and for the national that is the 78 LPA. And the company that visited is Upper, UPath, Microsoft, Intel, Mastercard. So variety of topmost recruiter visit in the IIT BHU. So guys, I have covered all top 10 IITs in the India and latest ranking, all things. So I hope this video will be really informative to you. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friend, so they can also get the help from my video. वीडियो अच्छा लगा भाई तो आप थोड़ा हमारे मेहनत को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सो दैट आई विल बी मोटिवेटेड टू प्रोवाइड सच टाइप ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. सो फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही था. टिल देन बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.